Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we got a fun video lined up for you. I was just over at the Big L improvement store, and I figured, I've been wanting to get one of these new Power Stack 5s for a long time. So they have the deal. You get the Power Stack kit, and then you get a free battery. There's like 10 of them. They're pretty decent. You can pick from the new, or it's not new, the big hammer drill, the big tower light. You can do the mid-torque, the new mid-torque impact wrench, the spotlight thing, the 5.5 inch or 4.5 inch angle grinder, power detect reciprocating saw. There's another light in there, or an 8 amp hour battery. So, or the radio. So not a bad selection. I went with the drill because I wanted to test out the power detect. Now I've tested out the FLEXVOLT one. But I want to see if the power detect's any better. Because I've had so many people say, oh, you got to do the 999. Oh, you got to do the 998. It's like, I don't know which one's better because I've never tested the 998, which is this one. So, picked up the kit here. We're going to go over and unbox this and check it out. But look at the size difference, guys. This is the 1.3. This is the 5. Is it a straight 5? Yep, straight 5. It's humongous. Look at that. I mean, it's still small. But compared to this little guy, it's very big. Here's a 2 for comparison. A little bigger than a 2. So like, let's say the size of a compact 4, essentially. But way more power. So I hope I sound okay. I got my lapel mic on here. Oh yeah. Sound the same. Alright, so we're going to move the camera closer, unbox this. Alright guys, I know it's been a minute since I've actually done a long video, but I don't know how I feel anymore about making videos. Could go either way. One thing I just love about Lowe's, and I'm just being sarcastic, is if you look at the freaking tools, that stupid green alarm goes off. Very, very, very annoying. Alright, let's pop that off here. Of course, it's taped shut as well. Side handle action. This cheap molded ABS plastic with a little bit of, I don't think that's aluminum, it might be magnesium. Ring. Oh, there we go. That's a good old belt clip. And the hammer drill. Seriously? Let's put the little one on her first. I will tell you this though, Dewalt does have a very powerful big hammer drill like this. Very nice chuck. It is a Zoo chuck, ZU, is that good? The Zoo chuck? It's the best. What are you talking about, you idiot? Don't you know who Zoo is? The Zoo chuck? Nope. Don't know. And I don't care. I did charge up the 5 all the way. She's fully charged up, guys, so any testing I do should be full. Here comes my daughter, guys. Don't mind her. You can hear the door opening. Yep, there she is. Hold on, sweetie pie. Alright, sorry about the baby girl to come out and say hi. So the thing with these kits that kind of irritate me, for the amount of money you're paying, you have this new big fancy, lot of power, lot of runtime batteries, and they give you this little tiny charger. But I did notice this. Check this out. So you open it up, and it comes just like this, guys. Comes just like that. So you pop it out like this. The battery's no plastic or nothing. Piece of cardboard, and then you got the charger. Now, it's a little charger. They redid it. It's like matte black, which I like. It's a 4 amp. So we all know that the big black one is a 6 amp, and then the big yellow one is the 8 amp rapid charger. So, yeah, I was looking on the back. I'm like, how many amps is this one? So it's 4 amps. So it is higher than the standard BCB. I think it's 107 or 101. And this is the 1104. So it is faster. It's the 4 amp. It's like the smushed down version of the 6 amp one. Thought that was interesting. So it comes with a 4. Should come with an 8, but no, it doesn't. I always gotta find a way to cheat you, to skimp out on you. You know what I mean? Probably not even use that one because I used the rapid charger. Anyways, let's pop over here to the jaw horse and see if this bad boy can sink in the big old 3-inch self feeder. What do you think? Start with something smaller. Move that. Alright, I figured we start with 3/4 of an inch bit here and just kind of warm the drill up a little tiny bit. Is that in frame there, guys? Yes. Ready? Go. Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous. Literally, I could do this with my pinkies. There's no resistance at all. That is insane. I want to say smoother than my Flex. That's nuts. Alright, let's bump her up to 1 1/4 inches. I love that smell of fresh pine. Whoop! Whoop! I didn't lock the chuck down though. Oh well. Breaking my bits here. Broke the chip right off. Yay. There we go. Lock. Now, it's crazy. If you guys remember, in my previous video, the Flex could not do the 3-inch bit on high. It could only do it on low. So, we're still full bars. Let's pop in the big 3-inch. See what we do. Okay. Alright, on high. We're going to try it on 3, guys. See what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Nope. See if you can do it on 2. 2. No, she can't do it on 2, guys. You got to do it in 1. That's still crazy impressive. It did that very, very easily. Chips. Alright, we're going to have to compare this to the Flex. Let's try it one more time. Ready, go. Yeah, it goes effortlessly through the wood. It doesn't break through that last little section here because that's where it gets hung up on. Oh wait, maybe there was more to go. There it goes. Oh, right in the freaking gut. Ow. Ooh, baby. That's going on the blooper reel. Right in the freaking gut. I wonder if there's anti-kickback. Nope. No anti-kickback. Dewalt wants you to break your wrist. Alright, let's see what we got. Still full bars. Man, that was smooth. Alright, let's get the Flex and test that. Okay, we got the 3-inch bit into the Flex, guys. Fully charged up power stack. 3 amp hour, or 6 amp hour. On low with turbo. Let's see what she can do. I don't know where my side handle is. I'm just going to brace against my side here. Ready? Go. Damn it. Man, that was a tough one. I'm not sure who's smoother, Dewalt or Flex. Let's try it right. Shoot. You think Flex, honey? Yeah. Okay. Fresh piece of wood, same. It's cedar, I believe. Yep. Ready? Go. I take it back. Flex is better. Sit there, honey. And Flex has the kickback too, which is nice. The Dewalt, I think, is lighter. I want to say it's lighter. Alright guys, so the Dewalt on low has 450 RPMs. The Flex on low has 700, or 550, so it's 100 more, let's say. Wait. On drill it has 450, on hammer it has 500. So 400 on regular. Mine is, or I mean the Flex is 550, and then with turbo it's 700. So it's 700 RPMs versus the 450 of the Dewalt. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to do. Show you this quick little demo between the Dewalt DCD-889 and the Flex. This isn't the full video, it's only a partial unboxing video. Lots of stuff coming, guys. I got a tool that's coming. If it's as good as it say it is, it's going to blow your freaking mind, guys. You want to hit that subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out when this video comes. It won't be coming out. I won't even get the tool probably for, it said end of September, October. So it's coming. But if this is as sweet as they say it is, oh, you're going to be surprised. I'm super excited to get it. But I'm not going to get my hopes up until it's in my fat little greedy hands. But much love, guys. Appreciate it. Hit the bell. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, I'm almost up to 20,000 subscribers. When I do hit 20,000 subscribers, we will be doing a very big giveaway. At least for me, it's big. Not thousands of dollars, but it's going to be decent. Enough to get one of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? So, let me know what you want me to use this on. Testing out the new stack pack. We're going to also be doing the impacts. This one against the Flex impact with the 6 versus the 5. And so on and so forth. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Much love, guys. Till next time, be safe.